Hello everyone. After a long break, I'm finally back. I'm Vedant and welcome to my channel Compiler. Now I know you might be a little confused right now. Don't worry, I've just changed my channel name. Earlier it was Kodar, but I renamed it because I have some really big plans ahead, especially since I'm building a website for this channel. So now we are Compiler, because just like a compiler makes things faster and more efficient, here we are going to learn how to execute tasks quickly, learn new technologies, build projects, code smarter, and explore amazing tools and websites. And in today's video, I've brought something super exciting for you. Today, we are going to explore Stitch, an AI-powered platform by Google where you can design websites and apps absolutely for free. Yes, completely free. And you must try it. In this video, I'll go in-depth and show you how to access and use Stitch, how to design websites and apps with AI, how to clone existing website designs along with their code, how to edit and customize your UI designs, and how to preview them on both mobile and desktop screens. It's going to be really fun and super useful. So stay with me and let's get started. So first of all, we need to go to the Stitch website. Just open your browser, search for Stitch and press enter. Now here you can see the first option named Stitch. Just click on it and you'll be redirected to the website. Now we're on the Stitch website. Since we're here, let's explore it a little bit. First, you'll see the prompt input field where you can type your design prompt. Just below that, Stitch also provides some suggested prompts that you can try to quickly generate UI designs. Next, you'll notice a plus button. When you click on it, you'll get two more options. Upload images, where you can upload existing UI designs. Website URL, which allows you to clone or recreate any website design just by pasting its link, so you can either start from scratch or customize an existing design. Now on the bottom right corner of the prompt box, you'll see the model selection menu. Clicking on it will show you different models you can choose from. Gemini 3 Flash for quick design generation. Gemini 3 Pro, a thinking model that gives better detailed results. Redesign mode, powered by Nano Banana Pro, which helps you customize existing designs like a Pro Fast mode. Perfect if you want results quickly in a hurry. Above the prompt field, you'll also see two options, App and Web. If you want to design an app UI, select App. And if you want to create a website UI, select Web. In this video, we are going to choose Web. Now, I'll write a detailed prompt describing the website I want to build. For this demo, I'm creating an online food ordering website inspired by platforms like Zomato and Swiggy. Remember, your prompt is the key to getting the best results. So the better and more detailed your prompt is, the better your UI design will be. Once the prompt is ready, select the model you want. I'm choosing the Gemini 3 Pro Thinking model, and then I'll press enter. Now Stitch will start designing the UI by analyzing the prompt, making smart decisions and generating the final result. As you can see, our UI has been successfully generated for the food ordering website. Stitch has created multiple pages and honestly, they look really impressive. Now let's take a closer look at each one. First, we have the landing page, and you'll notice it uses the exact name and style that we mentioned in our prompt. It has followed the same theme perfectly, with proper layouts, modern design elements, and a clean user interface. Along with that, it has also generated several other pages such as the catalog page, my orders page, account page, and even a nearby restaurants page. All of these pages look well structured and professionally designed, which is really amazing. Now you can also check how this website will look on different devices such as desktops, tablets, and mobiles. To do that, simply click on any design screen that you want to preview. Once you select it, you'll see an option called Preview. Just click on Preview and it will open up a few more options such as Open in New Tab QR Code, Mobile View, Tablet View, Desktop View. For now, let's click on New Tab to open the website in a separate tab. Once it opens, you can literally explore the UI just like a real website. You can scroll through the pages, interact with different sections, and even check how the hover effects and animations work. And the best part is, You can instantly switch between tablet view and mobile view to see how responsive the design is. There's also a QR code option available. And if you scan it using your phone, the website will open directly on your mobile device as well. Now let me show you how you can generate variations of the designs that Stitch creates and how you can customize specific parts of any design. So first, I'll demonstrate how to generate customized variations for a particular screen. To begin, simply select any design that you want to modify. Once you click on it, you'll see an option called Generate. Just click on that and you'll find another option named Variations. Click on Variations and a toolbar will open on the right side of the page. Here, you can choose how many variations you want to generate. I'll select one variation for now, but you can choose more depending on your needs. Next, you can adjust the creativity level. You'll see options like Refine, Reimagine, Explore below. That you can also type a custom prompt if you want more specific changes or detailed edits. And after that, you'll find several aspects of the design that you can vary, such as layout, text fonts. And more for this example, I'll select layout and text styling. Finally, once everything is set, simply click on Generate Variations and Stitch will create a new customized version of the design. As you can see, Stitch has successfully generated a new variation for us. It has updated the design by changing the font, adjusting the layout, and adding more refinements to the overall UI. And of course, you can preview this variation as well, just like we did before. Now let's move on and see how we can edit specific parts of the designs we've generated using Stitch's built-in editing features. To do that, simply select any design you want to modify. Then click on the option named Edit. Inside that menu, you'll find an option called Add to Chat. Once you click on Add to Chat, Stitch will automatically add this entire design into the prompt input field on the left side of the page, as you can see here. Now you can type a custom prompt to make specific changes to the design. For example, I can ask it to add more navigation links, improve certain sections, or update any element I want. After writing the prompt, just press enter and Stitch will start editing the design for you automatically. As you can see, Stitch has successfully edited the design for us. It added more navigation links and it even updated the website name in the landing page header, exactly as we mentioned in our prompt. So the editing process is really simple and works very smoothly. Now, besides this method, Stitch also provides another powerful editing option. With this feature, you can directly highlight or annotate a specific part of the UI, give a prompt, and Stitch will edit only that selected section for you. Let me show you how to do that. Once again, click on the Edit button. From the menu, select Annotate. A new modal window will appear, asking you to choose the exact part of the design you want to modify. For this example, I'm going to select the headline and then I'll prompt Stitch to change it. And just like that, Stitch will update only that specific part of the UI very easily. As you can see, Stitch has successfully changed the headline for us. Now let me show you how you can download these UI designs. To do that, simply click on the option called More. Inside this menu, you'll find the View Code option. Once you click on it, Stitch will display the complete code for the design, which you can easily copy and use directly in your own projects. Along with that, you also have the option to export the design to Figma, which is very useful if you want to continue editing or collaborating with your team. You can also export the designs as images or in other supported formats. And finally, if you click on the download button, Stitch will download a zip file that contains all the UI assets and resources of your generated design. So overall, downloading and using these designs is super simple and very convenient. Now let me show you how you can clone an existing website using Stitch. To do that, first open a new tab in your browser and search for the website you want to clone. In this example, I'll be cloning the OYO website. So I'll search for OYO, open the official site, and then simply copy its URL from the address bar. After that, I'll switch back to the Stitch tab. Here, click on the plus button to start a new project. Now choose the option called Website URL. Paste the copied website link into the input field. Next, you can write a short prompt to tell Stitch what you want to do with this URL. For example, that you wanted to generate a similar UI design or clone the layout. Once done, just press enter. Now Stitch will use the provided URL to analyze the website structure, content, and design, and it will begin generating a cloned version of the website for you. So just wait a few seconds, and there you go. Stitch starts creating the clone automatically. As you can see, Stitch has successfully cloned the website almost exactly just by using the website URL. You can even compare it with the original website if you want. And the best part is, once the design is generated, you can easily edit it, generate variations, customize specific sections, and make it your own. In the same way, Stitch can also help you build app UI designs. Just switch to the app option from the toggle above the prompt input field, describe what kind of app you want, select the model you prefer, and Stitch will automatically generate a complete app interface for you. Overall, Stitch is an extremely powerful tool for generating modern UI designs, creating multiple pages instantly, editing designs through prompts, generating variations, exporting to Figma, downloading production-ready assets, and even cloning existing websites from a simple URL. It's a great platform for developers, designers, and even beginners who want to create professional-looking interfaces in minutes. So this was a complete overview of Stitch. You can definitely explore more features on your own and experiment with different prompts to build even better designs. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing tech and AI-related tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.